Yeah.
See, they're rivets.
Yep. Oh, they're nutted, aren't they?
They're nutted because they're what's the name, stays, you see, threaded stays. These aren't. These are what's the name, rivets, copper rivets.
Oh, and the tubes come right through into the...
Right, you see now that, you see where I was on to you?
Yeah.
The superheaters come right to the top of the box, the firebox.
Yeah, they do and all, yeah.
Well, it doesn't on that.
There's the fire tubes. Yeah. Huh. Yeah.
See what I mean now?
Oh, yeah. Looks like it.
It's up to you if you want to film that.
Yeah.
If it's any interest to you.
No, it is, yeah.
No, it's that. Because you'll never get that again when it's up on the track. I'll never be able to turn it over.
Anyway, unless it's some preserved thing. And if you go to the full-size loco, you can hardly turn it upside down and start looking at it.
You've got to go underneath it.
Yeah, and I'm damned if I'm
That's
doing that.
what I've got this for. This made this.
Oh,
That's for lifting that up.
Yeah, oh, that's handy. Yeah.
Put it round the buffers. It's 200 weight when I come to carry it, you know.
Oh.
One bloody weight.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah, these things fascinate me, they do. Oh, I see. Yeah, ratchet driven. I see.
See it?
Yeah, I do, yeah. With a springer down there and so on. Yeah.
Well, the other ones are like an eccentric.
Yeah. Yeah, hang on.
This is the what's name to the. That's for the what's name to here.
No, drain cocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that rod there, like a bicycle brake cable. Yeah.
No.
No. Like a Bowden cable.
No.
Oh, yeah.
It's the old-fashioned window curtain rod.
Is it?
Where you used to pull and stretch and put it on 2 hooks.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Well, it's that and a piece of silver, what's the name, stainless steel 16th rod through it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is why you can't take this type of camcorder into a concert or something to film something that's happening.
Yeah.
Where we have to be quiet, because as you can hear, the head is really spinning in the rotary head. Like on your VHS VCR at home, it's 1500 RPM, so it's what, 6 times faster or something. That really is a complex arrangement, that. I see, eccentrics for forwards and reverse in the middle. Yeah, I see. And then the two there are the pistons.
What's that?
Those in the middle, those group.
Yeah.
Are for the exit for forward and back running.
Yeah, that's right.
Eccentrics, the outer two are for the pistons. Yeah. No, I'm getting here. I see.
No, they're both forward and reverse, forward and reverse.
Yeah. That's valve. Connector there. On an expansion link there. Yep.
2 outside ones. are forward, the two inners
and
are
they
reverse.
both, yeah, I see. They both go on to there. And those two come there. There they are. And go on to that expansion link there. Both expansion links held up there. That goes onto this valve here. And the actual lifting arm, the expansion link, is there, isn't it? And then you've got the crosshead is there. And then finally you've got the...
That's the pump.
The pump, yeah. Now, driven straight off the piston. And you've got the drain cock.
It's there.
Cable there.
That's
And where
the
it
drain
meets
cock.
the... yeah. Right, oh. Yeah. God, it's a beast of a flipping thing.
You've got your... That's your brake. That's for the... That one there's for the... what's the name?
Bypass.
No. For the automatic pump. That's the steam pump. What they call them. Not regulator. It automatically pumps it through with the steam. What do they call it now? Instead of having an axle pump, you have the one what's steam. Not a what do they call it? Something, that name. I can't think of the bloody name now.
Yeah.
See it somewhere. Pump. One of them. Pumps.
Oh, injector.
Injector, yeah.
Yeah, injector water valve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the injector. That's the water.
Yeah,
For
injector
turning
water
the water on
valve,
for
yeah.
the injector.
Aye.
Couldn't think of the bloody name, could I? Bloody hell. This is what the trouble is with me.
Well, I'm at same
I
myself.
can't. I never can remember all these bloody toffee-nosed bloody names. I just call it the bloody water pump.
I'm bad with words. Certain words that I can't think of. You know, it's like I'll know a word what I need to think of, like a long word of 6 or 8 letters, and I'll sit there for about 10 minutes and think of words that are very similar in meaning, and then suddenly it'll come to me, the exact thing I want. There's blast pipe. Slightly offset. And whoa, there we go. Yeah, Genty Reeves. Just noticed that. Splashes.
There's your actual pump there.
Yeah.
Well, it's what they call it, an actual pump, isn't it?
The good thing is I don't have to worry about cost of tapes. I mean, if this was a cine film, flipping 16mm, flipping heck, I'd have to watch my wallet. And those are the... Oh, I see. Yeah, they go through there to the back. I see. Yeah, and make the expansion links move. And you've got on this side. They've got their guides, slides for guiding, and then you've got pump there. and you've got reversing lever driving that cross shaft there, lifting those two arms, which lifts the expansion links. Well, the die blocks in the expansion links. I see. Cool, and then it gets complicated rapidly at the back there. God, it's a bloody nightmare.
Well, half of that's on the outside, you see, on the other one, on the drop ride.
Yeah.
The other one on the other side is your brakes.
Yeah.
That one there is your for your what's name?
Oh, drain cocks.
Drain cocks.
Yeah. That nice brakes on that shaft there. Brake handle.
And this inside here is well, you see the white tubes. That's another tank underneath there.
Oh, right. I see. Yeah, I see what you mean.
See this?
See what,
Yeah.
you can do that, you see, you don't have to look through the viewfinder. Yeah. Yeah, marvellous. Key, it's big. Yeah, I see. Mechanical lubricator of Jinsey, here we go.
That's what you call a ratchet one, that.
Yeah.
Now, you've seen both types.
I have, yeah. Yeah, there's the ratchet, there's the lever.
So
There's the lever, yeah, I see it there. There's the lever down there.
Which you've already taken from the other side.
Ah. There's the lever, and inside we have a little piston.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.